Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, Euro dollar definitely has turned up pretty strong. I still think this is an uptrend, and I still believe it's going to go all the way up, probably at least all the way back up to these highs, and end up making a nice five-wave pattern to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up right here is a 1. I think this is an A, B, C. I think it's 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down, make it most likely making a flat pattern. I think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of an ABC correction, and that this move up is going to be the continuation of the uptrend for a big wave 3. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I am definitely watching these Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, for areas where we may get a decent pullback. But I am definitely primarily looking for longs right now on sort of time frames, unless I see some sort of a significant break of structure on like the 4 hour or daily time frame to the downside. I am definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on sort of time frames. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, the euro dollar is pretty strong, and it is respecting this 23%. So I mean, it could definitely possibly go up. But you can look at this very quickly and see that we already have a major lack of volatility. Next week is a major holiday for the US dollar pairs. For the US dollar in general. So I would definitely see a lack of volatility most likely going into next week with the dollar and all the dollar pairs. So definitely be careful trading the dollar pairs even up today and right through next week. But it kind of, even though the trend is up, I actually kind of feel like that it's probably not going to continue up. It's actually probably going to continue down to one of these fib levels before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, it definitely looks like the end of an ABC. The trend is for sure up on the sort of time frame, so it very easily could just keep on trending up like that. Now, with the lack of volatility we got coming into next week, I'm not really convinced that this is going to make a big giant uptrend. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it made a bigger correction like I was showing on the longer time frames. So if you get a bigger structure to the downside, you could definitely start looking for shorts, but I would, as of now, definitely be looking for longs, and it could possibly just keep on trending up. So I would be looking for longs at the end of any ABC pullbacks that I may see on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.